weatherproof paper, 100 target sheets per pack. This paper that won't turn to mush when wet and will repel water, sweat, grease, mud, bullet holes, and even survive the accidental laundry mishap and more. Evaluation helps generate clean exit holes for accurate and easy evaluation of shot placement. Grid overlay makes MOA adjustments easy and accurate. 100 sheets per pack, even if the whole pack gets soaked, the sheets will separate easily. Developed by, this zeroing target was developed by U.S. Army Master Marksmanship trainers. This Rite in the rain all-weather zeroing target helps you zero your rifle optics in any weather. Our thick, water-resistant 100 pounds paper stock repels moisture and creates clean, crisp bullet holes for reading shot placement. The paper strength also reduces instances where closely grouped shots blow out chunks of the target and make it difficult to read groups. The 25-meter target is double-sided, one side applies to the M16A2 platform and the other side applies to the M4 platform. Top reviews from the United States. Marksmanship targets. These targets allow the rifle or pistol shooter to become a marksman, adjust the rifle's sights, or allow the shooter to practice in different weather conditions. The targets are strong, but I suggest a back or two. The grid allows the shooter to adjust and zero their sights based on where on the target shot placement is. As a concealed weapons instructor, NRA firearms instructor and police sniper, I have had the opportunity to train to many different styles. I also believe that the military uses these same targets now in their training.